Hello, Justin Render, product specialist here at Kinsey Manufacturing, with some exciting news to share with you guys today. The launch of the legendary 1121 is a throwback to the 1050 style cart. It is our 50th grain cart anniversary this year, and as we were coming up on that 50th, we started thinking about what has made us successful in the past. And this 1121, or the 1050 Classic, fits the size range of most customers still in the marketplace. That 1,000 to 1,100 bushel grain cart is still a large, accepted, high volume grain cart in the industry. So with that 50th anniversary, thought let's bring back the icon or the legend of the 1050 with some improvements. So with the relaunch of the 1050, or now the 1121, we're going to go over those improvements that changed from the 1050 and what we've improved upon, and we're going to go more in depth with that with you here today. So some of those key features that I want to talk about, we're just going to start up on the hitch. With this shorter coupled grain cart, allows us to have a little better hitch to axle ratio than some of the longer ones with the 45-degree augers. With our 90-degree auger, we can shorten that up. Also allows for custom harvesters to move these carts around effectively, still attach the tractor and onto the trailer. But starting up at our hitch, 3-point weigh system. We've got our overrunning torque limiting clutch driveline protection and our on-demand driveline that allows us to turn that floor auger on and off. Some of the other things that we've done is made some improvements like you see with our planters. Some of the things you'll notice is our hose and harness management as well. We're coming out up and above the PTO shaft, so we're not getting those hoses and harnesses in any of that area where it could become in danger. But you'll notice some things like we did on our 05 series planters. We've got our large color-coded tips that hold these out. So we've got our fold, our tip spout, and our on-demand driveline system. We've got our normal on-off indicator as we talked about. Some of the other things that we've made for improvements is easier maintenance to these machines. So you'll notice here, we've got a grease bank that's located in an ergonomic location up front. Allows us to grease all these locations up above so we're not climbing over the machine anymore and able to hit these all from the ground. So as we work back to our auger, you'll notice we've got that shorter coupled cart as I talked about, our 90-degree auger. 20-inch auger gives us 550 bushels of unload capacity. We've also incorporated a high side, low side, so 12 feet tall on this side, 11 feet tall on the back side, or the other side. Allows us to carry 1,100 bushels comfortably while unloading out of the go, on the go with the combine. You'll notice our tip spout, that same classic design, allows us to control the grain in a tight column to get it into the semi-trailer and off to the bin site. We've also updated our lighting, so we've got an LED light for our spout view, as well as an internal tank light to allow us to see inside of the tank as we're unloading from the combine. We've also incorporated our prox switches that turn the light on and off as it's coming in and out of our storage position. So something else that we've incorporated based off of customer and dealer feedback is an easier way to clean out that belly section or that horizontal floor auger for crop changeover. As you'll notice, we've got dump doors underneath this floor auger. We will take some side shots so you can see a little more in depth, but allows a 1-point open up location to allow all of that grain from the belly or the floor auger to come out, easier clean out, so we can change crop types and get this cart cleaned out faster in a more efficient manner. As we work our way back towards the axle, you'll notice we've got our Camso track option right now. We also have a 1250, 45, 32 floater tire option. The nice thing about these carts, we've also implemented with our axle is our stub axle change. So you can change from a float tire cart, like you'd see here with the tub on it, and upgrade to a track axle at a later time with just changing out the stub and the track system itself. This cart also comes with our mechanical tarp option, and you can also notice we've brought back our iconic Kinsey Man that has been known on grain carts for several years. Something else that we've done is our center location for our pit dump doors, or not our pit dump doors, but our clean out dump doors are in this location here. So we have an over center latch that locks those guys up, and you'll notice that the doors openings all the way down through the belly of the machine. Also, with bringing back this legendary cart, we've updated it to our ASAB LED light standards. Another option that we're going to have for the model year 22 season is a remote scale display that'll allow the combine operator to see what the scale head is reading out on the side of the grain cart. I want to thank you for coming along with us today as we're doing this overview, this product overview of our legendary 1121. The legend is back.